You want to make money with AI, right? Then you must be in very right place. This AI insect is slowly taking over the internet, and before the trend goes, you want to generate some money out of it, right? And especially you are a teenager, you need to. Hi, my name is Dhruv and I'm the founder of two companies. The first is Sufler, which is actually lead generation company, and the second is Optinex, where I help immigration owner set up AI automations and helping them with AI chatbots. Now, this video, I'm gonna help you with 7 practical ways to make money out of AI, and honestly, I have been trying them all. Now, if you stick to the channel, I will cover every idea one by one and go in detail with each of them and show how it's practically possible to achieve them. So the first one is actually selling an AI website. Now every business need a website, and some days ago there's a lot of complication making website, like you need to learn WordPress or softwares like Wix, WordPress and CMS, but today it's just a click away from you. Like there's software like Bolt AI where you can just search a prompt and make a whole website in just minutes, and there's no coding and nothing, and you can sell those websites to the local business owner who actually need a website. And the main thing is this software is all free, so yeah, you can use this to make a full-fledged website for the local business owner and help them to grow online. And the second one is AI content creation. Now there's software which can help you to generate video and even the voice forms for your video, so just use and combine both of them and post regularly on Instagram or any platform and build an audience which you can monetize by selling some product or like affiliate links, and then you can go with that. And the third one is AI powered marketing agency, where you will be helping business owner with AI ad creatives, which is so interesting to make. Like you can use softwares like DALL-E and Midjourney to create images which looks like generated in a studio, and they just sell it to businesses. Like it just not just save their money and time, it also help them to engage with their audience, like those ad look finest. And yep, moving on to our fourth point, which is selling AI automations. You can learn softwares like N10 and Make and help business owners set up AI automations, and like whenever there's inquiry in their WhatsApp or website, the chatbot gonna respond to them, and it's the whole system you can learn in N8N. And soon I will also post the video on the full tutorial on N8N and how you can use it to automate the software, so make sure to follow. Now you can use N8N and Make as a software where you are building a automation on how a chatbot can respond whenever there's some inquiry. And let's just suppose if someone wants to know about the business, the chatbot gonna clear their queries and help businesses to generate more leads, and it just cut the cost of so many real person which are cold calling on behalf of businesses. So on the behalf of people, you just have to put one AI chatbot which gonna respond to all of the queries and solve the questions. And moving on to our fifth business idea, which is of making AI chatbots. Now AI chatbots are something which are recently shown up in many of the website, and you can start building your own too. Like there's a lot of tutorials in YouTube, and you can just watch some of them tutorials and you get an idea about how to make AI chatbot, and you can make your own AI chatbot and then help business owners to install the chatbot in their website. So whenever there is a customer or inquiry in their website, the AI chatbot gonna handle it. And the main benefit of using AI chatbots is that they handle customer support like 24 into 7, and the business never gonna miss a lead if they are using an AI chatbot. So you can convince them to at least try one chatbot. And also there's a lot of opportunity in the AI chatbot space, because many of the businesses are in growing stage, and you can offer them AI chatbot because it's a technology which is recently shown up, so you can be benefited from it by selling those. And the main key thing you need to know before is the whole point lie in how you pitch your product and sell to the customer. And if your offer is good and which benefit to business, it definitely gonna consider you, and yeah, you're gonna start making money by there. Moving on to our sixth business idea, which is of AI powered copywriting. Like these days when I see LinkedIn post and any Instagram post or even YouTube description or thumbnails, these are all AI written. And there is lot of opportunity in copywriting, where you can use tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity AI, and Gemini to write stuff, and then just humanize it by using websites you found on Google. And you can sell it to businesses, which is not illegal, I think. And you can use tools like ChatGPT to just make LinkedIn posts and descriptions, and just DM that creator to get like getting consistent LinkedIn post, and yep, you are all ready to go. And now moving on to seventh and last business idea, which is of AI calling bot, which me myself using as in a business where I made a company called Optionex, and which help immigration owner to install calling bots on their servers. So like whenever there's inquiry about their services, the calling bot gonna respond to the customer and like handle rejections and all the queries customer ask during the process. And the AI calling bot gonna respond it like a real human. It just not cut the cost of many cold callers, but it also works 24 into 7. Like whenever there is inquiry in the midnight, the AI gonna handle it like very well. And it will surely help the businesses get more leads and get more trusted for the customer. And yep, these are the 7 business idea which really work with AI in 2025. And if you still don't believe me, just stick to the channel. I will cover each and every business idea that I listed and go in detail with each of them, and tell you how it's practically possible to achieve each and every of them. And that's it for today, guys. Let's meet in the next video.